In a study conducted at Brigham and Women's Hospital in Boston, tiny biochemical nanoparticles are delivering cancer-killing results in lab mice. Chemotherapy drugs are carried into tumors through lab-created nanoparticle bundles and light up to indicate that cancer cells are dying. Previous studies were able to track drugs entering the tumors, but were unable to tell if the drugs were effective. The next step will be to redesign the nanoparticles with clinically approved dyes and materials in order to track them in a human body through an MRI scan.